Hello guys, it is Rubber Midget here, and we are playing Battlefront. This is part 3. Alright, so we are at wave 9. So have not died yet. And going to get another life right now. Alright, we've taken down the oh wow, they got, I think that's a shotgun type thing. No. Could be a grenade launcher or some shit. Alright. Enemy defeated, 5+. Let's do this. We only have one charge, but that's all we need. Oh shit, heaps of them. Tick, tick, tick. Oh no, he survived. He's out of there. I'm getting taken out by this like machine gunner. Shit, they didn't make it. Come over here. Oh look, there's a sniper up there. He's running. Shit, I'm just getting fucking hammered. Oh, sneaky little bastard, didn't you? Huh. Look at all these people. They're just strutting their staff, flinging as they die. Alright, oh, hello. Goodbye. Oh shit, wave 10 was done. Easy. 69 meters away. Alright, prepare for next wave. Oh, I want a rocket launcher so I can just take people out. It's probably like shitting in its pants. Oh, of course I did. Yes. Oh shit. There's heaps of them. There's heaps of them. What have I done? Oh, took him out. Him. Okay, where's the other guy? Oh, there he is. Shit. 3 enemies left. Oh, sweet. Easy. Guessing one of them is a big fucking drone. Where are they? Where are they? Oh, there. Chase that motherfucker! What are you? Shit. Hello. Right, 2 left. Where are they? You got taken out. And boom. Easy. What? Oh, yes. Sweet. Let's go get it. Oh shit, there's a giant ship there. Ah, of course. Of course I'm facing one of those things. Oh, give me a rocket launcher, give me a rocket launcher. Come on. What am I doing? No. Defense position. Ah, they're there. Oh, person. Down. 2 down. Oh, that guy's got a shield, but it's gonna run out soon. So I'll get this rocket launcher. What the fuck? He took a lot of shots. Oh, he tried to save the other dude, but like, enemy locking. Hello. What is it? Where is it? Ah. He took off. Oh, that happened. Well. Yes, we defended it. Oh, there it is! Blue bullets all the way. Vehicle damage already. Oh shit, there's a guy down there. Oh, 2 of them. I'll deal with him now. Oh, not. Okay, I'll leave the second guy to survive. It's probably like shitting in its pants. Oh, of course I did. Yes. I am jamming. Direct hit. Wow, that does a lot of damage. I wonder how much damage it would do if it hit it in the leg or something like that. Indeed. So we're up to the 12th wave. What the fuck was that? Up in the sky, there's just a battle going on. Oh my! I am the luckiest man. I missed! That would have so killed it. I think I'm stuck. Oh no, no. Run! What? Ow, fuck. Is it dead yet? No. Alright. shit, my jetpack just charged up. Awesome, shoot. Take it out. And escape! Let's go! Just try to land on it or something like that. Just try and just jump on it and shoot from above. Nah. It's nearly dead. Where's it shooting from? Its mouth thing. Or what looks like it'd be its mouth. What does it like? Oh, and it's got like air guns. And that is it, folks. If you want to see more, just subscribe, like, and share my videos. Also, check out the videos to see more. Yep, that helps. Goodbye. Holy shit! What the fuck?
This is Sparta!